Hi, welcome to Jen's Daily Dish, where I bake things on camera for the very first time so you can bake along with me and learn from my mistakes. I saw this recipe on TikTok where you take very few ingredients, yes, throw them together, and out comes a great looking cookie. I've changed it up just a little bit. It needed a little bit of salt and espresso powder, of course, because chocolate plus espresso powder equals perfection. So these cookies come together super fast. So let's get this going and maybe think of the song. So good, it's magic bars, made so fast and quick. So good, it's magic bars, they will be your cookie pick. Well, I don't know because I've never made them before, but let's find out. Will they be your cookie pick or not? This recipe has no butter and has no eggs in it and no baking powder or baking soda. You just throw the whole thing together. The sweetened condensed milk is like the sugar added, and the graham crackers sort of operate like the flour because there's none of that in here either. So let's see how these turn out. Add in some coconut. Now I have toasted this for about 2 minutes at 350 degrees. This is optional, but the coconut goes in. Cashews or nut of your choice, crushed graham crackers, chocolate chips or chips of your choice, little bit of salt, little bit of espresso powder, mix together. Add sweetened condensed milk. Mix together. Scoop onto your cookie sheet. Into the oven for 12 to 15 minutes, depending on the size of your cookies. Mine were in for 15 and time is up. Okay. Really important, let them sit on the cookie sheet for at least 10 minutes until they harden up. That is key. The magic bar cookies have cooled, but feel free to leave them there for longer than 10 minutes. Yours might need it. Some of mine cooked more than others, so, it just depends. But take a look. It looks great. It smells great. How could it not be great? Let's find out. Let's break it apart. It is very ooey gooey. That's definitely because of the sweetened condensed milk. But look at that. The sweetened condensed milk probably made it caramelly-like in the oven. It definitely spread out a little bit, so just be sure that your cookies are in mounds. Now it's about the taste, so let's give it a try. This is a great, super fast cookie that you can adapt and add in any nuts you want, any chips you want. You could even add in some surprise ingredients. Super easy with no flour, no butter, no eggs. Easy peasy and yummy. If I can make these super fast magic bar cookies for the very first time with you watching me every step of the way, you can too. I mean, come on, this recipe, you really can. Don't forget to like, subscribe, keep sending those recipe requests, and check me out on Instagram for so much more.